Namaste. Hi, I'm Narayan Chaudhary, student of Central University of Haryana, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. And this sessional videos I am submitting to Dr. Surendra Bargujar, Assistant Professor of Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Central University of Haryana. And today I am taking my subject that public relations, and in this public relations subject um, my topic is functions of public relation. How works the functions in public relations sector. Let us first know what is public relation. It is the best deliberate and the planned sustain to effort and establish the maintain the mutual understanding between organizations and people that work the public relation officer, and that type of coordination that organization and the public that's hold the mutual communication mutual understanding, that is the public relation. This is in PR involved. The public relation involves two-way communication process between an organization and its public. A communication process with a view to change the mindset of the public in certain direction. PR involves three progressive levels, that awareness, acceptance, and action. In awareness, message should reach the all the public, and acceptance, the public should agree with that message and take that message, and action, public should act the accordingly to the rules and the good way. In the purpose of the PR is to educate the audience on the advertisement of the product, service, and goods. They promote the goodwill of organization or any kind of institution to create, maintain, and protect the build reputation of organization with their public and the global public we can take. Let's we have to know the evolution of PR in India. In Ramayana, Bhadra used to report to Rama about the public feelings and the opinion of the Rama's army station. Religious leaders like Buddha, Shankaracharya were master of the communication. King Asoka sent his own children to Sri Lanka to teach the Buddhism, and Sanghamitra, the first female peer executive in our history. Mahatma Gandhi succeeded in bringing entire the country together to achieve the independence, and systematic practice of the public relation being with the Indian Railway in 1920s used to exhibition the festival and the newspaper advertising both England and India to attract the tourist. Let's know the what's the function of the public relation. There is many types of function held in public relations. Community relation in public relation, consulting to the public, contribute the program, customer relation, customer public to public, and the organization demand of the public relations, government relation, guest relation, internal communication relation, investor relation, media relation, product and the service publicity, publication and digital communication. Community relation. First know that the what is community relation. Community relation is that working with groups in community where organization has major operation, developing the good cooperative climate, media related personnel who works with the media at the community level. Next is consulting, developing the recommendation and the public policies. The contribute of the PR point is formulator of the corporate decisions. And next one is the contribute program, something a part of community relation and in the public relation, developing the policies and the corporate donations and processing the contribution request to the public with the help of the public relation. And these are the function of the public relation. And next function of the public relation is customer relation, organization and customer, that we can say the people and the public of the organization, that assuring that the organization customer are satisfied or not, deal with customer inquiries, complaints, advise senior management on the customer related issue on the concept. The next function of the public relation is the also called the government relations. Government relations, also called public affairs, monitors the regulation and legislation affairs, maintaining goodwill with government, direct program designed to promote the organization point of view in the regulation and the legislation. The next function of the public relation is guest relation, conducting office and plant tour, guest relation activities, preparing brochures, tour guides, tabs, video, maps, guest related communication materials, and the tourism and entertainment. The next function of the public relation is internal communication, preparing preparing and publishing employee member is membership, bulletin, newspaper, etc. and newsletter and etc. Employee and member conference, the teleconference, communication with the management and the board members, and also includes the tour of the employee recognition of the banquet and awards. The next function of the public relation is investor relation. Communicate in investor relation, communicating with owners, communicating with the related groups such as financing institutions, brokers, securities, and the financial analytics. Prepare and coordinate the annual meetings, conference, seminar, and communication material such as internet site, contents an annual report and the quarterly statement. The next function of the public relation is media relation. The media relation, issuing the news in media relation, issuing the news of activities to external audience and establish the maintenance with the contact with mass media, handling the response to the inquiries from news media, coordinating media conference and tours, tracking the evaluating the media coverage. And the next function of the public relation in product and service publicity, how a public relation officer can publish their goods in often to the call marketing publicity, announcement and the announcing the new product, service and enhancement, if any thought of mass media, developing and executing the promotional pers- programs and corporate donation process to the request. And the next function of the public relation is publications. Publication is that preparing and publishing the material for special constituencies including dealers, agents, advisories body, and alumni. These are the publication of the This is the function of the publication. The next function of the public relation is digital communication. In this 2020 era and 20th century era, using internet, email are the best way to communicate to each other, and this is called our delivering to message specific consistency. This is called the digital communications. And digital communication is the way that we can reach many to many mass medias and the many to many institution to public, and this is the best way that a public relation officer or agent marking in their communication level and the oral level. And all these are the function of the public relation. And thank you so much sir, thank you so much the Dr. Surender Bergurar, Assistant Professor of Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Central University of Haryana. Thank you, sir.